Elles són l'equip del Palestine Youth Club, capitanejat per en Majdi. Són un equip de bàsquet que va néixer en el camp de refugiats de Shatila, a Beirut. La Txell Feixas va escriure aquest llibre que, de fet, la Txell t'ha volgut obsequiar, avui ella no hi pot ser aquí. Un llibre sobre com l'esport femení pot transformar el món, com l'esport en general i el bàsquet en concret.
Basketball has given me so much, right, in my life. So, as a kid, like I could not imagine like my life now without this sport. So I'm happy that we share that same, right, the same love for the game of basketball. Bellissima? It's a beautiful city. It is. It's not big. It's a small city. I think sports can be a very strong tool to develop as a human being.
And now all they are here because they're dribbling the ball.
Yeah. Yeah, it's simple. Like it translates so much. Yes.
How is the feeling?
You know, very happy for everything that happened to me in so many years, but a bit sad because I love to play basketball. It's pressure sometimes. It's pressure, so congratulations. It's not always simple. Wow, wow, wow. Cerebral. And thank you guys for coming. So let's take a group picture.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.